stock, crypto, credit moves. Friday, April 29th, 2022, 9 a.m. Back for another video with Novatech. So it's payday every Friday with this platform. It's been around since 2019. It's a Bitcoin hedge fund that trades for us and passes us profits every week. They only ever trade with 30% of your account, which is a good thing. So let's go in and see what our weekly payments for this week. I got $623 this week. And on a prior video, I was stating that I was going to start to add more to this account. So it's at 21 now. So let's pull out a calculator here and see what the return on that is. Take 23 divided into 21,332. That's right at 3% for the week. I'll take it. I'll take it. A lot of other platforms in the crypto space, they promise these high returns, but the question is it sustainable? This company has shown that they're very transparent and they're consistent. So I definitely would recommend you guys to take a look at Novatech. Like I said, it's been around since June of 2019 and it pays out every Friday. It's nice to pick up an extra $600 a week in one platform. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this 600 for myself. I'm actually going to pause this until this actually comes up. Back in 1 second. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and request a payout. Going from the bonus account, I'll just take out 600. So it usually takes 24 to 48 hours to get a payment. It just depends. Sometimes they'll send it over right away, and then sometimes I'll get it like on Saturday morning. So like I said, they also pay out commissions on Saturday. So like I said, guys, this is a solid income platform if you're looking for a stable income. It's not something that's going to make you rich, but it's cash flow. And that's what we need and like, especially in these turbulent times is cash flow. Cash flow is what's going to keep you out the ditch. It's going to keep you in your house. It's going to keep you driving the car that you have. Cash in the bank is good as well, but it actually losing value and it continues to get used. So I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, signing off.